How to fix WhatsApp voice message problem on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first and the foremost thing that you can do is to increase your iPhone's volume because sometimes it might be too low without you noticing it. Next, make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection, as voice messages might not get delivered due to a slow or no internet connection. Also, launch the Settings application and further scroll down to Apps and then open WhatsApp and make sure the microphone toggle button is enabled to give WhatsApp access to your device's microphone. Also, open App Store and further go ahead and search for WhatsApp and make sure your app is updated to its latest version. So, these were a few fixes that you can try in order to fix WhatsApp voice message problem. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.